Assalamu alaikum. Today I am gonna talk about online C++ compilers. It is an online compiler and debugger for common programming languages such as C, C++, Python, Java, and others. It is highly sophisticated compiler that is extremely fast, so it loads and returns result immediately. This is the front layout of GDB compiler. Go to online GDB. You should see interface like this. On top, run function allows you to run your code and see the results in real time. Here is the result after running your code. The debugging function allows the programmer to inspect and modify the software while it is running. The stop function enables the programmer to pause the software while it is running. Next is share. Sharing is a useful feature that enables coders to quickly share their code with others. The save function allows the coder to save their work for future use. This feature can be useful if the coder needs to refer back to it afterward. Coders can use the Beautify feature to enhance the understanding and layout of their code. You can also download your code. All those codes that you save will go to My Projects folder. You can also take online classes through GDB where teachers publish programming assignments and students can submit assignments for evaluation. You can also learn programming languages. Choose any programming language you want to learn. Here are some most frequently asked questions by students. You need to log in first to use all these features of online GDB compiler. Let's write some basic code to check how this online compiler works. Now let's make a mistake over here to show the compilation error. It showed us our mistake on line number 20. That's all for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.